very cool. All the pink birds are together. Look at this. There's an American flamingo, a scarlet ibis, and a roseate spoonbill. And here they all are, and I guess they eat their carrots, because that's what makes them red, carotene. When I was teaching a class of nutrition at Drexel University, I had the class go to the zoo and tell me why the flamingos were pink. Of course, most of them cheated. But I wanted them to go to the zoo. Some of them did. And they really enjoyed it too. Having a exercise outside of class is always cool. And here they all are. Look at them reflected there. Pink flamingos. Some of them, oh, that one really eats his carrots. And some of them, they just don't get to it. Look at these. Okay, I guess that's the spoonbill over there. It's supposed to be pink, but it, well, sort of is. Oh, look at that. And that's the red ibis. Oh my, they're really red. Oh, that's a beautiful bird. Gosh. Even flying. Now the flamingos just hang out. They don't seem to do much flying. And there's the spoonbills over there. Boy, they're keeping to their own, aren't they? They're not really mixing. It's like, okay, I'm an ibis, you're a flamingo, you're a spoonbill. Let's just stay apart. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is lovely. Gosh. I hope you're enjoying watching this as much as I am. Okay, let's see what the flamingos are doing. You know, they're always scratching each other, scratching themselves, birds. I saw penguins doing that too. There's this need to scratch yourself. Look at that, that's like a pretzel. Then the spoonbills are showing off, they're flying in. Just ignoring the flamingos. Oh, there's a friendly ibis over there. Hanging out with the spoonbills. Good for you. Integrate. Talk to each other. It's very important. Especially in these times. They just can't stop showing off. Oh no, that's a flamingo. The flamingos can fly. Or they can flap their wings. Oh, that's interesting. Can they fly? Well, it looks like they're trying to. Yeah, we're right at the edge of the huge park in Dresden. So there's all kinds of trams going by. And there is a duck. God, the place stinks. Oh, look at the ibises right up there in the trees. Why not? If you can fly up on a tree, you should. That's always been my attitude. So these are the other animals here. There's a lake duck, a puna teal, a black-bellied whistling duck, I see, and a hooded mercanser. much as this, which appears to come from the United States. That's interesting. So here I'm just sitting here. Okay. Maybe they're just watching and looking at themselves in the reflection. Oh, here's one. Here's an ibis. Beautiful, beautiful bird. Gosh, that red. Actually, I'm wearing a coat that's just as red. Okay, that'll do.